folks, I have a really cool baritone to show you today. This project has been in the making for a while. It goes back to about 4 years ago when this guy I know, Nick, sent me some boards of cedar from Vashon Island. It used to be a water tank or a water tower. And so the story is that it was on Vashon Island for a long time, and before that it came from Seattle, so it's a really old water tower or water tank. And Nick sent me some boards, and I've been using that for ukulele tops for a long time. You guys have seen those quite a bit. Well, Nick's dad, Evan, is the one who actually had the boards, and he drove down and gave me a bunch more of it, and then he ordered an instrument. So that's what this top is. Some of that water tank cedar. It's got all kinds of cool marks from it being a salvaged piece of wood and from it sitting in the water and with the fasteners for so long. So I love how it's got all kinds of cool weirdness and imperfections. But it makes a really nice top. I think I've made maybe 10 or 12 ukes, maybe more from it. Anyway, he also brought down some Douglas fir, so I thought I'd use it for back and sides and neck. And this fir is also from Vashon Island. It's some nice old tight grain stuff. And fir is stiff enough that if I leave it a little thick, it works good for a back and sides, almost like a hardwood would normally be used. So it's, cedar top but fir back and sides, which is a little bit unusual. Then the neck is the same. Because of the way the fir was milled, I stacked up the heel and the headstock like it's a classical guitar. I think it worked out nice. And then we needed a hardwood to tie it all together, so there's just maple everywhere else. Fretboard, headplate, bridge, binding. Cool little rope and graft there. Yeah, and I haven't made a bad sounding uke from that cedar yet, and this one just growls and purrs. I really like it. Yeah, lots of sustain. So yeah, my goal with this one is to make a piece from, that had a salvaged wood vibe, but to have it just glow. I wanted it to be like glowing butterscotch and caramel, and I think it turned out pretty nice. So yeah, anyway, that is number 845. Cheers.